Hi guys, today I got this awesome toy at GameStop. Yeah. This is a Roblox exclusive and I just found it. And I'm very excited because it's Roblox and I love Roblox. My dog's trying to get my Chinese. So, yeah, if I'm gonna I'm gonna open it on my birthday. I am going to open this on my birthday. And if you guys want me to record on my birthday, comment down below saying record on your birthday and I will, okay? Okay, bye.